Hello viewers, I am watching from PF Fashion, 177B Park Street, Kolkata 17, and we are manufacturer of the tussar and silk sari like hand print, block print, screen and kalamkari, all types of the handloom and handcrafted sari. So today I my first episode, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the new updates and follow my page in FB PF Fashion. So let's start. And my sales team explained about the sari, how to look, and just let us start. This sari is number 1, and this is Ganesh spray. All over the Ganesh spray, deep light shade, deep green and light green shade, and all over discharge print. This is pallu, very elegant sari, and this is pleat portion. This is sari look like that, very beautiful sari. And now this is BP, 1 meter of BP. BP is the full green. This is sari number 2, and all over kalamkari, hand block kalamkari. And this is pallu. Pallu is blue, red and blue, very good combination. And also peacock motif. This is pallu, and all over sari is the red and blue. And this is pleat portion, and all over sari is blue and red combination, and kalamkari motif, hand block discharge. And this is 1 meter blue blouse, full 1 meter blue blouse. Price is 4950. This is sari number 3, and this is Ajrak print. Ajrak print in the tussar sari. This is pallu, and all over sari is the sea green and rani combination. Looking beautiful. And this is pallu, and this is pleat portion, all over sari. And border also is faded like rani and white, beautiful. And this is blouse piece, is rani color, 1 meter blouse piece. Price is 4950. This sari is also is kalamkari sari, but all over in buta. And this combination is green and red, and all over deep green over discharge print, white discharge print, and red border and pallu. Very beautiful sari. And this is pallu portion, and all over sari. Just see the variety of the printing. This is pleat portion. Yeah, this is look like sari. And this is pallu. And blouse is the contrast blouse, red color blouse. 1 meter red blouse. Price is 4950. This sari number 4. This is sea green. This is pallu. Pallu is also a discharge print all over, and skirt part is all over buta in skirt part. This is a skirt part design, and this is pallu. And this is plate portion. Look like the sari, very beautiful sari, and color combination is white and sea green. This is blouse piece, 1 meter of blouse piece, sea green, running blouse. Price is 4950. This sari is different sari. This is totally handmade sari. Totally handmade sari. And this is kalamkari sari. Kalamkari and peacock motif. All over in sari. And this sari, this is pallu in combination of red and yellow. And all over. Sari is half and half is full hand paint, and this is look like sari. And this is the contrast red blouse. This is handmade, that's why this price is 5900. 5900. Again this is sari number 6, and this is block print, sea green and yellow combination, all over sari in the discharge print. This is pallu, different types of border is going on. This is plate portion and look like the sari. This is sari and this is pallu. And this is blouse. This is 1 meter blouse, already border given there for the slip. This is sari number 7, and this is block print, green and yellow combination, and par also is temple border. And this is pallu. Pallu is also yellow combination with green. Beautiful sari. And this is all over sari. And this is pallu. And this is 1 meter green blouse with the yellow border for the sleeve. This is sari number 8, and this is magenta and light sea green combination. This is all over the screen print. This is pallu portion. And this is look like the sari. All over the skin flora print. This is pallu. And this is 1 meter magenta blouse. Price is 4950. This is sari number 9, This is Gachi by Gachi without jari border and all hand paint, all over hand paint. And this is pallu portion, and sari is the faded look in border, totally hand paint. Yellow color with green, very nice combination of the flower. And this is blouse, 1 meter blouse. Its blouse is the green. Sari is the half and half. Price is 5500 because of the Gachi Tasar. This is sari number 10, red color, very beautiful color, and combination of sea green, blue and red, and this is print is Ajrak print. Skirt part, and pallu is red. And this is look like sari, very beautiful sari, and all over sari this. This is the blouse, 1 meter blouse. Blouse is running red. Price is 4950. This is sari number 11, and yellow and maroon combination. This is screen kalamkari, all over sari kalamkari, and very beautiful combination of the yellow and the maroon, and discharge print. And all over sari look like very beautiful sari, and this is pallu portion, and this is blouse of yellow color, very beautiful sari. Price is 4950. This is sari number 11, and this is pallu. Look like kalamkari all over the sari in the magenta color with white discharge print. Very beautiful color. Look like sari, all over print, very beautiful. And this is pallu, and this is blouse of plain magenta color. Price is 4950. This is Vishnupuri silk. Vishnupuri silk quality is very good quality, and sari is half and half, and blue, deep blue color with white discharge print, and plate is white. Very beautiful combination. And sari is half and half, Vishnupuri silk. And this is pallu, and this is blue blouse of the. This sari is Vishnupuri silk, and combination is the peach and black all over the block print in the skirt part, and this is pallu. Very beautiful combination of the peach and black, and this is sari look like. This is pallu. This is blouse of black with border. Price is 3850. Next saree is very beautiful color, yellow with black. This is pallu, all over block print, and border is running. Very beautiful yellow color. This is saree, very beautiful color, yellow and black. This is Vishnupuri silk, best quality. Price is 3850. Next saree is red color. This is pallu, all over pallu, and bird motif, full red with black combination. Very beautiful saree. Vishnupuri silk is very best quality of the silk. This is look like saree, bird motif, black and red combination. And this is 1 meter blouse. Price is 3850. Next saree is Firoja and white discharge print. This is pallu, very beautiful. All over block discharge print. This is pallu. And saree look like very beautiful saree, Vishnupuri silk. This is 1 meter blouse, already flower given for the slip and back. Price is 3850. Next saree is Murshidabadi silk. Murshidabadi silk is also a good quality. And this saree is multicolor, blue, green, black, yellow. This is totally new style, and all over saree like that. Totally hand paint saree, and blouse is green with border. Price is 3450. Again, this is sari is the Murshidabadi sari, Murshidabadi silk, and this is kalamkari, multicolor kalamkari, screen print. Pallu is the plain because the all over sari is printed. All over sari is the multicolor kalamkari print. This is all over sari, and this is pallu, and blouse is the plain because of the sari is the all over sari printed. This price is 3450. This sari is also Murshidabadi silk and very beautiful rainbow combination, and block also 3-4 color going on. And one leaf motif. This sari half and half, very beautiful sari. Combination is so beautiful, and blouse is orange with 2 color border. Price is 3450. This is also Murshidabadi sari, Murshidabadi silk, and gun spray. Gun spray with the hand paint. Total sari is hand paint with the multicolor gun spray. Very beautiful flower combination of this multicolor sari. This is pallu, and this is plain blouse is the blue. Price is 3450. Next sari is also Murshidabadi silk, and this is all over flora print. Grey and Rani combination, the pallu, and all over print, flora print, very beautiful white with combination of the Rani and pink and grey. This is totally screen print with flora. And this is all over sari. This is pallu. And this is blouse. 1 meter blouse, Rani blouse. All sari is Tussar and Murshidabadi silk and Vishnupuri silk. And any sari you like, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp in 9830036710. And subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new update. And COD facility is only Kolkata pin code.